And this is one that's a little bit more advanced. And this is something that if you want to order a custom unit, it's something to think about. But that is finally your actual hair type. Those that come from European descent, such as myself, we have European hair, which is a thinner diameter. It's not as coarse. And what that means is it's finer. Now, that hair is different, say, than Chinese hair, which is known for being much more coarse and having a different sheen than European hair. And of course, there's Indian hair to consider as well. So LaVivid's stock systems are all Indian hair, which is a good kind of intermediary between the two, except for the Cronus model, which is a European-based hair, which is a great option if you are of a European or perhaps now American descent. Our hair is usually finer and a little bit thinner than our Indian and Chinese counterparts. That being said, for custom orders, all hair materials are available for people to choose from, including Indian human hair, Chinese hair, European hair, and synthetic hair. But if you really, really want to dial in that look, consider placing in an order that's specifically made for you, your hair type, your hair color, the correct base that you want for you, and getting the most indistinguishable possible look.